The first 2 years of your child's life are super important. During this time, your child is absorbing everything around them. How you talk, how you move, how you respond to them, how you respond to others. They are basically like a sponge soaking up everything in their environment, and they cannot choose what to absorb and what to ignore. It can be hard to watch your child struggle with something, but over-helping can actually hold them back. So give them time to figure things out. Hi parents, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about something really important: how you as a parent can help your child grow and learn at home. Dr. Montessori discovered that what happens in the first few years of life affects everything that comes after. The home is your child's first classroom, and you are their most important teacher. Don't worry, you don't need a special training, any fancy equipment. What you do need is to understand a few simple ideas so you can support your child's natural development at home. The first 2 years of your child's life are super important. During this time, your child is absorbing everything around them. How you talk, how you move, how you respond to them, how you respond to others. They are basically like a sponge soaking up everything in their environment, and they cannot choose what to absorb and what to ignore. Everything goes in. This is why your role is so crucial, because the way you interact with your child, the home environment you create, how you respond to their needs, everything shapes who they become in the future. So take some time to learn about how children develop. It's a good investment. Understand that your child has natural stages that they go through. When you know what to expect, you can support your children better. Let's take an example. Around 18 months of age, many children want to do everything by themselves. This isn't them being difficult, it's a natural part of growing up. So being well rested and taking care of yourself isn't selfish, it's necessary as far as children goes. When you're tired or stressed, it's very hard to be patient and respond calmly to your child. So simple things like getting enough sleep, eating well, taking short breaks whenever possible can help you become the best version of the parent you want to be. One of the most powerful things you can do is simply watch your child. Notice what interests them, what challenges them, how they solve problems, what they enjoy. When you really pay attention to your child, you will learn so much about who they are and what they need. This also helps you make better choices about how to support them. You can also look around your home through your child's eyes. Can they reach things that they need? Is there space for your children to move freely? Some simple changes can make a big difference. For example, just a low shelf where they can reach their own books or toys, a small table and chair just their size, a stool in the washroom so they can wash hands by themselves, maybe hooks at their height for hanging their coats or their towels. These small changes can help your child feel capable and independent. Children feel safe when things are predictable. So having regular meal times, nap times, bed times really helps your child know what to expect. Keep their toys and materials organized in a simple way. When everything has a place, your child learns to find what they need, and they can also put things away when done. Children don't need a lot of toys. A few well-chosen items are much better than a mountain of plastic that's going to overwhelm them. Look for simple toys made of natural materials whenever possible. Items that can be used in multiple ways like blocks, art supplies are especially amazing. Young children learn by watching you. So move slowly when you're showing them how to do something. Speak clearly using real words. There is absolutely no baby talk that's necessary. When you pour water, fold clothes, set the table, do it in a way that you can show your child each step of the process, because they are taking in everything about your movements. Children need freedom to explore and make choices. They also need limits to feel safe. For example, you might let your child choose which of two shirts to wear, but not whether to wear a shirt at all. Or they can decide whether to choose red or blue paint, but whether not to paint the walls or not. It can be hard to watch your child struggle with something, but over-helping can actually hold them back. So give them time to figure things out. If your child is trying to put on their shoes, maybe wait for a few seconds before jumping in to help. You might be surprised what they can do when they're given the chance, because they're very capable. If they do need help, you can show them how to do a part of the task and let them take over for the rest. Get down to your child's eye level when speaking with them. Really listen to what they're saying. When your child is upset, acknowledge their feelings. For example, you're sad because the block tower fell down. This helps them understand their own emotions better and express themselves better in the longer run. Children love being part of what you do every day. So involve them in washing fruits, vegetables, buying groceries, wiping the table, folding laundry, wash cloths, watering plants. For us, these might just be chores, but for children, these are valuable learning opportunities. These are ways that they connect with you and become capable. Reading with your child is one of the simplest and most powerful things that you can do. Even small babies benefit from hearing your voice, looking at the pictures, just holding a book and bond with you. As they get older, let them choose books, turn pages, talk about what you see in the pictures. Nature is the perfect learning environment. So take walks together. Let your child set the pace. Stop, look at bugs, leaves, interesting rocks, pebbles. Even in a small outdoor space or a city park, children can actually run, climb, use their bodies in ways that help their development. Remember, supporting your child's development isn't about pushing them to learn faster or earlier. It's about understanding their natural process. It's about creating the right conditions for them to grow. The most important thing you can offer are your attention, respect, trust in their ability to develop naturally. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be present and aware. And your child doesn't need fancy toys or programs. They need you, engaged, responsive. If both of you cannot be there, children need just one caregiver to really be tuned in, to make sure their needs are met. And if you can spend this time in early childhood giving your children exactly what they need, I am telling you, they will grow up to be responsible, mature adults who will give back to the society. So start making small changes around your house. Adapt it better to support your child's development. Start today. And if you have a question or a comment, please share it with me. Subscribe to my channel, like this video if this helped you, and let me know what are some of the other topics that you would like me to talk about. I talk about Montessori, neuroscience, positive parenting. I talk a lot about emotional development, and I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and all the best for your journey to help your child grow independent.